And in the state of Texas and even New Mexico, a newborn can be dropped off at a safe location with no questions asked. It's called the Baby Moses or Safe Haven Law, and then it gives desperate mothers or parents a safe and legal choice to leave their infant. Esmeralda Perez has more.
A child rescued from a dumpster, the body of another buried at a home. They are crimes that have left two mothers facing serious charges. But a Texas law signed more than 2 decades ago was enacted to avoid these situations.
The Baby Moses Law was enacted in Texas in 1999. It gives basically overwhelmed parents a way out for kids up to the first 60 days of life. If they don't know what to do with their kid with a newborn, they can drop it off with fire department or any EMS agency, and they can take that no questions asked with not really any repercussions.
All designated fire stations have a safe baby site yellow sign outside of the building. Maxwell said once that happens, the only thing authorities are worried about is the child's safety.
Our first step is we're going to send them to the hospital to make sure that the kid is okay, make sure there's not any kind of immediate medical needs. After that, they will, we're also at the same time be contacting the Department of Family and Protective Services, and they're going to ultimately be the ones responsible for finding that child a place to live and take custody of that child from the hospital.
CASA in the heart of Texas Executive Director Michelle Wells says there is some information that is needed at the time the newborn is dropped off.
You're not required to go yourself to take the baby to the location. You can have a third party drop the baby off, but you are required to provide some information about medical history that could be beneficial to the family that eventually raises that child.
The Texas Department of Family and Protective Services keeps track of these cases. Last year, 22 babies were abandoned. Only 7 were given up under the Baby Moses Law. Esmeralda Perez, Fox West Texas.